Hey guys, this is Eric with B-Flex, and today I want to talk to you guys about something revolutionary, our premium heat transfer vinyl called the Gimme 5 Evo. Okay, so you're going to be wondering what's so special about the Gimme 5 Evo. Well, it literally checks every single box in which you might want from a heat transfer vinyl. It presses at low time, low temperature, which means you're not going to scorch the garment, you're going to respect the fiber, and you're going to save time and energy. It's durable. We've tested 100 hot washes. It doesn't crack, it doesn't peel, it doesn't fade. You don't need any cover sheet, any Teflon sheet when you press it. You know what? You don't need any of this BS right here. And my favorite part about the Gimme 5 Evo is its finish. It's a soft matte finish which doubles up as a blackboard because of it. Okay, so I want to show you how easy it is to actually use this product. So here we have a pre-cut and weeded sample of B-Flex Gimme 5. Our press is set at 285, timer is set on 4 seconds, and we don't need anything else, and we're good to go. And it's a hot peel, so you don't have to wait, you just go ahead and get it. And now that we pressed our first design with the red Gimme 5, we're going to press the second design, different color, here in the corner. And like I mentioned earlier, we don't need to cover the first design with Teflon or a cover sheet or anything like that. We just go straight into the pressing phase for our second color. Same setting, 285 for 4 seconds, and before you know it, you got your design. As you can see here, B-Flex Gimme 5 changes the way you think about heat transfer vinyl. It's got its low time and temperature application, so you respect the fiber when you apply it. It lasts over 100 hot washes, and you can layer multiple colors without needing a cover sheet or a Teflon sheet or anything like that. So now you're wondering, where can I get some Gimme 5?